Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can add 3D wallpapers in iOS 26. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just go to settings. Inside settings you need to go to general and software update. So why software update? You need to be on software update to make sure that you're on iOS 26. If you are not, you cannot simply do this. So just make sure that you're on iOS 26, whether it's your phone or your iPad, you have to be on iOS 26. After that, you have to go to wallpaper. Once you're inside this wallpaper, you just need to press on add new wallpaper, and right over here it'll show you this. Now you just gotta choose a photo for your 3D wallpaper. So I'm just gonna choose this photo right over here, and you'll be able to see this small icon in the corner which is referred to 3D wallpaper. And here, as you can see, we did the wonders. Now we got 3D wallpaper, and here, as you can see, it looks very sick and clean. So I'm just gonna press on add after that, and here, as you can see, it's just telling me to set as my wallpaper. So I'm just gonna set it as my wallpaper, and here we go. Now if I check it as my wallpaper, and voila, look, it looks so good and clean. So yeah, just like that, we have added 3D wallpaper onto our device in iOS 26. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.